Today I'm going to show you some of the materials that I use when I'm creating my custom anime work. I usually paint on leather bags, slides. I've done leather weightlifting belts. And I always use pretty much the same materials, and I'm going to go ahead and show you a few of them. There's still a lot more that I work with, but this is pretty much the basics. Here you can see some of the slides that I've done. Okay, first of all, let's start with Angela's acrylic leather paint. To me, this is probably the best paint out there when it comes to working with leather. This is some of the colors that I use for skin tones. This here is my little secret sauce. I usually put this a few drops on top of the paint to thin them out a little bit, just because I like working with thin coats, and I apply like 2 to 3 coats just to get a coverage. I put them in these little trays, and then I put the paint over it, and then I mix them. This is the gray, white, and black. I use this to either make the paint darker or lighter. Brushes. This here is my go-to paint pen. You can find this on Amazon. I like them better than Poscas. I really don't use hair dryers anymore. I like using the heat gun. It dries faster. Just be careful you don't burn your pieces. I've done it a few times. Most artists that you see on TikTok wear this is usually to help you for your hands to glide better. Since it's made out of cloth, I really don't like it much because it just makes a mess with the paint. So I created my own little thing. I use latex gloves and I cut the thumb and the index finger out. It's also comfortable for me to hold the brushes that way. Here I'm going to show you pretty much how I do it. Very easy. If there's anything else that you guys want me to teach you, just let me know. Drop it down in the comments. Thank you for watching.